Welcome to the fourth video of our course on mastering car diagnostics using launch scanners technology. In this video, we will be understanding how to interact with the launch scanners interface. To get to a better view of things, we should now switch our camera angle towards the scanner. So here we are in front of our scanner now. This is the launch X3 PET 3 version 3, and even if you don't have the scanner, don't get worried, as because most of the launch scanners have similar kind of interface. First up, if you want to scan the vehicle, there are two options that you can choose. First one is the intelligent diagnose. Using this button, you can access the vehicle through its vehicle identification number, and you don't have to manually choose the make, model and variant of the vehicle. Secondly, if you are not connected to the internet or your vehicle is not able to fetch the vehicle's information through its VIN number, then you have to choose the local diagnose feature. By using this feature, you will now have to manually select the make, model and variant of the vehicle, and then you will be able to access its diagnostic feature, all the diagnostic features available for that vehicle. Next up, there is a service function feature. By this feature, you will be able to access different type of reset functions available on that vehicle, as well as different type of calibrations. For example, electric throttle relearning, or maybe gear relearning, or some other kind of programming that you want to do, like the immobilizer programming as well. Coming on to the remote diagnose feature in the scanner, by using this feature, you will be able to access your scanner from wherever you are. For example, if you are at some other place, if you are let's say at your home and your scanner is in your workshop and no one else in the workshop knows how to control the scanner, then you can access the scanner through the internet from wherever you are sitting across the globe. You just have to connect it through the user ID that the remote diagnose function will be providing you, and by that you will be able to access the scanner from wherever you are in the world. Next up, there is a TPMS feature inbuilt in these scanners as well. Using this feature, you will be able to not only get into the tire pressure monitoring system of the vehicle, but also you will be able to calibrate different sensors that, for example, if you have to replace a TPMS sensor in one of the tires, then you can easily reprogram it using launch TS gun that can be attached with this or any other launch scanner as well. Right next to the TPMS feature, we can see the software update function as well. By clicking on it, we will be able to see all the latest updates that there are to be downloaded on our scanner. By this feature, you will be able to advance your diagnostic capabilities with the latest trends that are being going on in the world and that are being introduced by launch globally. Right next to it is the diagnostic history feature. By this, you can access all the vehicles that you have scanned through this scanner before, and you can access and see what were the codes that were coming on that at the point, which car was it, what's the VIN number, what's the make, model of variant of the car. Similarly, there is the feedback function as well. Using this function, you can report to launch directly any kind of problems that you are facing with your scanner. Let it be some kind of feature that is missing in the scanner, or let's say there is you are trying your best to perform a certain calibration but you weren't able to do so, then you are going to form a feedback for it. After which, there is the feature of ADAS as well. ADAS is Advanced Driver's Assistance System. It is a technology that comes inbuilt in most of the latest vehicles available in the market. It is additional safety features that includes radars, ultrasonic beams, a lot of sensors are here and there on the vehicle as well. So if your car gets hit and it's showing that ADAS or the radar light has turned up, then you have to perform ADAS calibration. For this, you have to attach a separate ADAS calibration kit that launch provides. It is quite an expensive tool, but it is pretty much very handy. Yeah, so next up, we can go to the mall as well. From this mall, we can purchase any kind of software that's not even in the scanner. Let's say we want to work on an electric vehicle, for example Tesla, then we can just go into the mall and purchase Tesla software for whatever time we want. There is here it is written that it's available for 6 months. We can change it for, let's say, 24 months, 12 months or 36 years depending upon our need. Right next to the mall feature is the vehicle coverage feature. By clicking on this feature, we will be able to see which cars and which brands are compatible with this scanner. Next to which, we can find the info center as well. There are a lot of things that you can see here, like for example, You can choose the DTC help button to help you identify what different data trouble codes say and how to go around with them. Similarly, there is a technology handbook. You can purchase experts even fix as well for vehicle diagrams and all the different operations that you have to perform on the vehicle. Similarly, there is general info in which you will be able to find training videos, operation guide, newsletters, launch official website, launch official Facebook channel. Similarly, equipment info, product manuals, and frequently asked questions. And next up, there's the personal center. In here, you can write up different kind of information related to your brand. For example, your workshop's name, its address, the number of your workshop, so that it gets printed on your health report as well. Similarly, you can connect other modules with this scanner as well. Let's say, for example, oscilloscopes, sensor simulators, multimeters, battery testers, immobilizer programmers, video scope, EV equipment like current clamp. That is it for the video. In this video, we'll discuss about the interface of launch scanners. In the next video, we'll be discussing how to make your health reports from your launch scanners. Till the next time, stay tuned and take care. Bye bye.